So we narrow our research field and in deeper understanding of something. If we are PhD students, we need to with a deeper learning, with deeper understanding, deeper research that can publish papers in the top journal and draw a conclusion. I have some conclusion or our contribution to the research community. So I think from now on, maybe we just that is yes, one is research method, the other is theory. So we start to read some try to find an interesting field. It's narrow, not so big, but focus with a small field of the study, and familiar with all the related was related literatures, and then maybe you can find something new. Some is a research gap, something they didn't do before, so we can work on that. If you can find a research gap, we can work on them for 1 or 2 years. You can finish your PhD dissertation, and also we can publish some papers on that, and you can get the dissertation. That is what I think. That's for how maybe I think 1 year is too short for most of you. Maybe for the Herman is just last year studying business, right? Just the first year.
Yes.
So maybe you are not familiar, but you didn't. We should find the confidence. We are smart enough.
Yeah.
So we are smart enough. We can learn. I think it's relatively easy compared to the engineer. Engineer is a business is relatively easy. So we but the problem is that you don't know how to do or what to do. So we can maybe our online meeting we maybe can keep maybe two weeks at a time, every 2 weeks, and everyone just talk about your research what's your feelings, your research plan, and we can work together. We can learn from each other how to find a good research topic and how to do that. But still, is one thing, is basic thing, is maybe we don't know exactly how to conduct is a research method. We are not familiar with that.
Yeah.
Right? We have several research methods. One is we call it survey. You have a questionnaire. Survey to ask other people to answer your questions. That is a very basic research method. But if you do that, you should know. A good research method is not a good research questionnaire. You should have we say is that we have many contracts, right? Contract.
Yeah.
So every contract has a measurement, right? So measurement we maybe every contract we have maybe have 3 questions or 5 questions or 10 questions have 3 dimensions, right? So we have to ask these questions. We use the similar to the published papers, and we use this research question and ask to the people answer the questions and collect data. And we calculate the contract measurement. You know every contract measurement, right? Every number, every contract measurement. We have 10 contracts. Maybe you have dependent variable, independent variable, or